Good morning everybody on our first full day at Efteling. Had a really good night's sleep. It's just about 10 to 8. We're going to go down to breakfast and then we get an hour's early entry to the park. So we're going to go and ram some rides in when we get down there. I'll show you my outfit of the day. Let me just turn the vlog around a minute. So I've got on a top from Bon Marche. I've got Roman cut-offs. And I've got my nice trainers on, which are really comfortable. It's going to be about 74 degrees today, so should be nice and warm. I think a bit of rain's forecast later on this afternoon, but we can go and do some of the wet rides. Right, I'll catch you in a minute. So we're just coming up to Droomvlught to do our first ride. We were going to go on Fogel Rock, the roller coaster, but it's having technical issues. So this is a really beautiful area and we're off on our Droomvlught. Let's go! Having a gorgeous day. No queues. We've got early entry as hotel guests. Look, no queues. How are you? Good.
He turns you to face the next bit.
Yeah. The smells, Bev.
Yeah.
So this is the area by Droomvlught. It was a beautiful ride. I didn't do a lot of the ride because I want to enjoy the ride, you know, but I'm just giving you a little snippet so that you can see like what the ride is. Right, we're going to go back to Fogel Rock now and see if it's open. Yes, I'll follow you then, Bev.
Mind the bicycle.
Oh, it's made the peacock put his tail up though.
Yes, it did.
Which is good.
Do you want him to turn round though? Come on then, turn round, matey.
Come on.
Get him at his best. Don't be shy. Oh no.
Here we are. Wow.
Oh.
Hello, beautiful bird.
Hello.
You are stunning.
Off your feathers and they look beautiful.
Wow. Oh, somebody take a photo,
Yeah,
please.
yeah.
Thank you.
Here I am.
What I can't do is hold this little thing and do a photo. Wow.
Old.
Oh, right, okay. He's not playing ball, is he? What a gorgeous, gorgeous thing. I'm not talking about you, John. I'm talking.
Well, no.
He don't want to have his prunage. His Fogel Rock, this way. This place is just beautiful. So we've just come on the boat ride. I've not done this boat ride before, so it's quite nice. We're just having a really chilled morning because that's the advantage of staying on the hotel site, that we can come in early. So it's great.
Very peaceful.
Hello, Jack.
Very peaceful.
Hello, Ducky.
Lucky, lucky.
Oh, we're going to go under a bridge and everything.
Lovely. It goes right into a narrow bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, they're quite good.
At some point.
Does it?
I noticed, yeah.
Amazing.
So we've just got on the Pagoda. Right, we've just got on the Pagoda. That's the boats that we've just been on.
See our hotel to the left.
Right, we're going up. Well, we're going up pretty quick.
No messing about.
No.
Up we go.
There's Baron. Oh wow, if you're scared of heights, don't come on this. Oh, there's the Woody. There's the Woody.
Oh, there's Woody. The distance.
There's our hotel.
Oh, there's another roller coaster there.
Oh, there's the Python.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Not the dog, whatever you do.
The other boats that we've just been on. Oh, here's our
That's our hotel.
There's our hotel.
There's Fogle Rock underneath it. Look, Fogle Rock.
Yeah.
Oh, it's open. They're going in. Yay.
Oh, well, there you go. Right, let's take a
Vulcan
photo.
eyes.
Right, here we go.
You get to see how big the park is up here.
Yeah, it's brilliant, isn't it?
Oh, there's one. What?
That's the nearest town, begins with K.
Yeah, it's quite close, isn't it?
That's why I've got the weather forecast for that town. It's called, I'll tell you. Cartcheval.
Yeah. That's the entrance over there.
Oh, is that the theatre?
And that's it. No, that's the new hotel.
Oh, right, okay.
That's the entrance. And this here, underneath the, is the fairy tale forest.
Oh,
Underneath the, not where they're walking, but all through those trees in front. You can't see inside, but that is the fairy tale forest in front of there. Because you, so, yeah.
So this is other. And there's the theatre over there. And that's the fairy tale forest. Yeah.
Oh, you get a good look at the, I can't see the Woody going, no. Oh yeah, it is.
This is this game, isn't it? Bottle of sparkling water, please. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
So we've just come off of Baron. I came out my seat 3 times. Oh, dive coaster. Anyway, we're just going to have lunch now. We're in the Pancake House and I'm taking my friend Sue out for lunch because she mends all my jewellery.
This is brilliant. Jules?
So I've got, Sue's got, I've got this gimbal's playing up again, but Sue's got ham and cheese, and I've got a pancake which is cinnamon and raisin, just like my granny used to make. Thought I've not done you a room tour, so let me show you the room at Efteling. So you come in the door, and I've just put a shelf there for the thing. You've got Puss in Boots or some sort of thing going on. And when you open the wardrobe drawer, you've got the ruby red slippers, you've got safe, nice big wardrobe to hang your clothes, fridge, tea, coffee maker there with chocolates in the box. You've got beautiful starlit curtains there. You've got some sort of game here, and you've got a cat. Now, somebody told me they've got a mouse under the bed, but I can't see a mouse under my bed. But anyway, very, very, very comfortable bed, and you've got a nice big toilet, and on there I can't read it because it's in Dutch, but anyway, and a huge shower. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with the room. Hello. How are you two? Good, good, good. It's the Efteling Grand Hotel we're eating tonight. This is the main entrance to the park. And this is the Efteling Theatre where we're going to watch Caro. So we've just come to Brasserie 7. Which is in the Efteling Grand Hotel, and we're just about to have our dinner. I think this is going to be our booth. Isn't it beautiful in here? Bev, what are you doing, my darling? Tell me.
This is my magical ingredient.
Ooh!
Which I'm not quite sure what it is yet. I haven't tried any. And this has got nectar and all sorts of things, but it's also
Crack on
made
them.
with a vinegar base.
Is it going to go up in fairy dust?
I don't know.
Ooh!
Little pipettes.
Got my coat.
Yeah.
So Susie's got bram, which I've not heard of. It looks to me like sea bass, but no,
does
veg.
a bit,
And I've got steak, and I said medium and no blood. To me it looks pink, but you know what? I think it's going to be okay.